Good day everyone. Our topic for today is risky behaviors of adolescents. Introduction. Adolescent risky behavior encompasses a range of actions that can lead to physical, emotional, or social harm. These behaviors are often driven by a combination of developmental factors such as a developing brain and a desire for independence, and environmental factors like peer influence and social norms. Examples including substance use, risky sexual activity, dangerous driving, and antisocial behaviors. Ang risky behavior ng mga kabataan ay tumutukoy sa mga gawain na maaaring magdulot ng pisikal, emosyonal, or social na panganib. Madalas itong nangyayari dahil sa pagbabago ng isip habang lumalaki, pagnais maging malaya at impluensya ng kapwa at lipunan. Ilan sa mga halimbawa nito ay paggamit ng bisyo, pagkikipagtalik ng walang pag-iingat, panganib na pagmamaneho at mga masasamang asal. Trouble signs among teens. Sexual promiscuity, regular use of drugs and alcohol, repeated violation of the law or school regulation, running away more than once in 3 months, skipping school more than once in 3 months, aggressive outburst, impulsiveness, dark drawing or writing, refusal to work, non-compliance, chronic lateness, falling asleep in class, changes in physical appearance, and excessive daydreaming. Harmful practices. Culture and tradition play a significant role in shaping the way young people and adolescents behave and lead their lives. However, young people have become victims of harmful tradition practices which affect their human reproductive rights. These practices differ from place but primarily affect women. Ang culture at tradisyon daw po ay may malaking papel sa paghubog ng asal at pamumuhay ng mga kabataan. Ngunit may ilang nakakasamang nakagawi ang tradisyon na naging sanhi upang malabag ang kanilang mga karapatang pangtao. Kadalasan, ang mga ganitong gawain ay iba-iba, depende sa lugar. Ngunit higit na naapektuhan nito ang mga kababaihan. Common drugs abused by young people. Marijuana, also known as cannabis, grass, joint, spliff, pot, and weed. Usually, people smoke the leaves but some of the leaves and the stem can be made into tea or even cookies. The effects vary. Some people become relaxed and happy while others feel panic or fear. Effects can cause increase in heart rate and dilation of blood vessel in the eyes which creates the characteristics of bloodshot eyes. Karaniwan, ang mga dahon nito ay sinisigarilyo, ngunit maaari rin itong gawing tsaa or cookies kasama ang tangkay. Maaaring magdulot ng pakiramdam ng pagiging relax at masaya, ngunit sa iba ay magiging sanhi ng takot or pagpanik. Maaari rin itong magpabilis ng tibok ng puso at magdulot ng pamumula ng mata dahil sa paglaki ng mga ugat sa loob nito. Mayrongi, also known as cat, QAT, and mira. Common name for stimulant leaf that is chewed in much of East Africa. Chewing mayrongi can help someone feel more awake, confident, and energetic, and can also reduce hunger. In fact, many students use it when cramming for exams. Effects. Negative effects include sleepless, anxiety, aggressive behavior, and hallucination. Ang mayrongi ay isang stimulant na kadalasang inunguya sa silangang Afrika. Ito ay nakapagbibigay ng pakiramdam ng pagiging gising, kumpiyansa, masigla, at nakababawas din ito ng gutom. Madalas itong ginagamit ng mga estudyante kapag malapit na ang exam or nagkakaraming na sila. Masamang epekto ay maaaring magdulot ng hindi pagkakatulog, pagkabalisa, pagiging agresibo at guni-guni, hallucination. Alcohol. Alcohol causes relaxation at first and people can feel less self-conscious. After more alcohol and individual gets drunk, reaction time shows down and thinking straight becomes difficult. Effects. Further drinking can cause slurred speech and aggressive behavior that can lead to fights, rape, or other kinds of violence. Ang alak ay nagdudulot muna ng pagiging relax at pakiramdam na hindi nahihiya. Ngunit kapag marami na ang nainom, nagsisimula ng malasing ang tao, bumabagal ang reaksyon at nagiging mahirap mag-isip ng malinaw. Masamang epekto, maaaring magkaroon ng paputol-putol na pananalita, pagiging marahas at pag-uwi sa gulo tulad ng away, panggagahasa, o iba pang uri ng karahasan. Cigarettes, also known as tobacco or cigars. Many young people start smoking tobacco products for different reasons including influence of friends, seductive advertisement, older role models like siblings or celebrities to mention a few. Effects. According to World Health Organization 2006, tobacco is the second major cause of death in the world. Nicotine, which found in tobacco products, including cigarettes, is highly addictive. Maraming kabataan ang nagsisimulang manigarilyo ng mga produktong may tabako dahil sa iba't ibang dahilan tulad ng impluwensya ng kaibigan, mapanuksong patalastas, at pagsunod sa nakakatandang huwaran, gaya ng kapatid o sikat na personalidad. Epekto. Ayon sa World Health Organization noong 2006, ang tabako ay ikalawang pangunahing sanhi ng kamatayan sa buong mundo. Ang nicotine na natatagpuan sa tabako at sigarilyo ay labis na nakaka-addict. Cocaine, also known as crack, coke, C, Charlie, nose, candy, and etc. It makes one feel like her body is going very fast. His or her heart races and the highs and lows are sudden. Effects. A small amount will raise body temperature, make heart beat faster, increase breathing rate, make you feel overconfident, and make you more alert with extra energy. Ang cocaine ay isang substance na nagdudulot ng pakiramdam na parang napakabilis gumalaw ng katawan. Epekto. Pinapabilis nito ang tibok ng puso at nagdudulot ng isang biglaang high at lows. Kahit maliit na dami ay maaaring magpataas ng temperatura ng katawan, bilis ng tibok ng puso at paghinga. Nagbibigay rin ito ng sobrang kumpiyansa, pagiging alerto at dagdag na enerhiya. Heroin, also known as hammer, horse, H, junk, nud, smack, white lady, etc. A drug obtained from morphine and comes from opium poppy plant. Heroin is a drug that shows down the user's body and mind. Effects. When injected, heroin provides an extremely powerful rush and high that usually lasts between 4 to 6 hours. Also increases the possibility of contracting AIDS. Ang heroin ay isang droga na nagmula sa morphine at kinuha mula sa halamang opium poppy plant. Ito ay nakakapagpabagal ng paggalaw ng katawan at pag-iisip ng gumagamit. Epekto. Kapag itinurok, nagbibigay ito ng matinding rush o sarap at high na tumatagal ng 4 hanggang 6 na oras. Gayunpaman, tumataas din ang panganib ng pagkakaroon ng AIDS at iba pang sakit dahil sa paggamit ng maruruming karayom. Amphetamines, also known as speed, ice, browns, footballs, hearts, etc. Stimulants that affects a person's system by speeding up the activity of the brain and giving energy. Ice usually comes as colorless crystals or as colorless liquid when used for injecting. Effects can cause increased heartbeat, faster breathing, increased blood pressure and body temperature, sweating, make the person more confident and alert. Ang amphetamines ay stimulant na nagpapabilis ng galaw ng utak at nagbibigay ng dagdag na enerhiya. Ang ice ay karaniwang anyong kristal na walang kulay o likido na ginagamit sa pagturok. Epekto, maaaring magdulot ng pagbilis ng tibok ng puso, mas mabilis na paghinga, pagtaas ng presyo ng dugo at temperatura ng katawan, labis na pagpapawis at pakiramdam ng sobrang kumpiyansa at pagiging alerto. Ecstasy, also known as ecstasy, Adams, Essence, MDM, MDMA, XTC, EVE, MDE, and MDEA, is a drug that speeds up user system by increasing his physical and emotional energy, usually a small colored tablet. Effects: a person using ecstasy will probably feel happy, warm, loving, and more energetic. She would feel emotionally close to others and might say or do things that she would not. Ang ecstasy ay isang droga na nagpapabilis sa sistema ng katawan sa pamamagitan ng pagpapataas ng pisikal at emosyonal na enerhiya. Karaniwan itong maliit na makukulay na tableta. Epekto: ang gumagamit nito ay maaaring makaramdam ng sobrang saya, init ng pakiramdam, pagmamahal, at masiglang enerhiya. Maaari rin siyang makadama ng emosyonal na pagiging malapit sa iba at magsabi o gumawa ng mga bagay na karaniwan na hindi niya ginagawa. Inhalants and solvents. Inhalants and solvents are chemicals that can be inhaled such as glue, gasoline, aerosol spray, lighter fluid, etc. Effects: inhalants may give the user high for a very brief period of time. They make him/her feel numb for a short period of time, dizzy, confused, and drowsy. Ang inhalants at solvents ay mga kemikal na maaaring singhutin gaya ng pandikit, gasolina, aerosol spray at lighter fluid. Epekto: maaaring magdulot ng panandaliang high, pamamanhid, pagkahilo, pagkalito, at antok na sa gumagamit. Tips to avoid drugs. You do not need to take drugs to be liked by other people. You do not need to take drugs to feel brave or courageous. You do not need to take drugs to cope with sorrow or disappointments. You have inside you the strength and inner resources to deal with any situation and any problem.